I have been wanting to get a doorbell camera, so I'm really excited that I finally was able to get one. It comes with everything that you need. This is just like the little plate that you would put the camera actually on, and you're gonna drill this into like the side of your house where you're putting this up. So it comes with the adhesive piece that you would need for that. And then the camera just has a little couple of pieces here. So there's the camera, the speaker so that you can talk to them, and then also the button for the doorbell. This piece here is the speaker, so when someone does ring the doorbell, it rings throughout your house. You need to keep it within 15 feet of the camera here, but then this is the speaker that it will have the chime come through. Comes with the screws and whatnot that you're going to need in order to mount it, and then also it comes with this charging cable so that you can charge this, plus the user manual as well. I just love how simple it is, how it comes with everything that you need, and I highly recommend this. I did get this in exchange for my honest review, and there it is.